Hello, it's me and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do clean girl makeup or the no makeup look without using the foundation. So the first thing you want to do if you want to achieve the clean girl makeup is to prep your skin. I'm already done washing my face. I washed it with the facial wash. You can get any facial wash that is young for you. I used the Dove cleansing, the foam one. And then I wash it again with this Jeju Aloe from the facial. Yes, I wash my face 2 times. I have a very oily skin, and when I do that kind of technique, I notice how it changes my whole face and it brightens up my dark spots and be radiant. And also, please take note guys, remember this, when you do the skincare routine, you have to keep in mind that the less you use a skincare product is the more it gives you that glowy and skin finish like look. And also, it's okay if you don't have a clear skin like others, you're still beautiful. Now, I'm using a moisturizer to moisturize my face. I'm using this Skin Reveal by Biotize and use it as a moisturizer. Use this tinted sunscreen from Bella Sun's Expert. This is very important for everyday use because it protects your skin under the sun, especially from the UV light or some allergic reaction from the sun. I use the 2 fingers and then like that. I rub it with my fingers so it can cover up all of my face. Next I will use is this Get Ready With Me concealer in the shade Sand under my eye so it can hide the dark eye bags. And just enough to cover your eye bags. Bright complexion. You can stop here now and add some powder and lip tint and you're good to go. But for me, I would like to add some blush to give me that youthful, radiant look. I will add this pink neutral color shade of pink just to it could give a hint of color to my cheeks. So I use this soft touching blush by Celeste Go in the shade Sweet Like Candy. It is a true baby pink color. Colors because it gives me a more natural but a very fresh look. Then after applying all the liquid makeup, I will use this Sassy makeup spray for sealing all the liquid makeup here in my face. Then after that, I will use the All Day Sebum Blur Powder to also seal all the makeup and to prevent my face to get oily. Hyper. Now I'm adding highlighter to give me that glowy and healthy look. Now I'm using the Caroline Strobe stick. And I'm adding it in the high points of my face, like in the cheekbone, the nose, tip of my nose, and then in the corner of especially if you're using this, can build up more. As for the brows, since clean girl lang naman to, you can use your mascara to brush up your brows and keep them in place. This is the makeup hack that I really love because it saves me up money to buy the brow tint. Product, I will use this natural lake gel tint in the corners of my lips and then applying this Romance Glossy Tint for that clean glossy look.